Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a second Brawl Stars account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Brawl Stars app and make sure it is updated. Tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner and open Settings. Ensure your Supercell account is linked to avoid losing progress. Next, return to the homepage and open the hamburger menu again. Select Supercell from the bottom to open a new page. Tap the gear icon at the top. Scroll down and select Log Out. Once logged out, you will be prompted to sign in again. Tap Play Without and complete the initial tutorial. After finishing the tutorial, open the hamburger menu, go to Settings, and tap the Supercell button. Tap the skip icon at the top right and select Register a Supercell ID. Enter your email address and verify it. Once the verification is complete, tap Continue to finalize the setup. To switch back to your old account, open the menu, select Supercell, tap the gear icon, and scroll down. Select the Switch Account feature and choose your old account from the list. So that's basically how you can create a second Brawl Stars account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.